2 lemon. I want to press out the juice inside. You can see I'm pressing it.
1, 2, 3, go.
So I want to press the second one. So I'm cutting the last one now. I'm going to add my honey. That's my onions water. You make sure you parboil, you cook the onions. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of honey. You mix. So you can see the cough medicine is ready. You can take it 1 spoon morning, 1 spoon afternoon, 1 spoon evening, 3 times in a day. Go and try it, guys. Thank you very much. Bye.